Hi guys, Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I actually just wanted to make a video today showing you guys how to use the latest version of the Uber app and the latest version of the Lyft app together at the same time. I use a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I have them running at the same time right now, and I'm online on both of them. And I have my Google Maps also open in the background, just so that it's, quicker to switch to when I do get a request. So as you can see, I'm online on Uber as well as Lyft, and I'm waiting for a trip request on either one of them. And once I do get a request on one of them, I basically accept that trip and I go to the other app and go offline. And then once I complete the request, I go online on both the apps again. And that way I increase my chances of getting more trips per hour. So let's just go ahead and wait to see. Because this trip is too long, the pickup was 7 miles away, I declined it. Usually I would decline any request that is more than 3 miles away, unless it's been really slow and I haven't been getting any requests. Then I'll take it. It's just because the way that my logic works is that the minimum amount that you make on a ride on Uber is about $2.40 if it's approximately there, around that amount. So if I was to drive more than 3 miles away to pick up the rider and I only go a mile to drop them off, I've only made $2.40, and I've driven like 4 to 5 miles. So I like to keep it at $1 per mile. That's how much I want to make. And if it's anything less than that, then I don't accept it. So there you go. We got a request from Lyft, so I accepted it. And I'm going to now go offline on Uber. And we're going to navigate to our pickup location.